Okay. Anytime you do a restoration on a car, uh, you find out basically the story of the car. What I mean by that is you can tell all the dents, all the dings, where it's been driving. So pretty much this 914, 70,000 miles on it, 2.0 mechanical fuel injection. So it's been pretty much non-molested. It's pretty much bone stock. Now the rarity here is that the rockers are beautiful. Now that's a rarity right there. I mean, those rockers look amazing. The car has surface rust because it's been in Washington and it's just been sitting and not taken care of. But getting to know the story about this car and its history since 1975, I'm pleasantly happy. So the only big question mark right now is the hellhole. And if you dealt with a 914, you know what the hellhole is. So we're backdating the bumpers on this. It's already happened. And putting in GT flares and Porsche 911 Fuchs, which are being powder coated right now. Other than that, that's where we're at.